Hey guys, it's Miss Athos. We are working on our assignment and we need to think about the readability of our text. Is our text easy to read over the image? It's important to think about that as you're working on your assignments and as you start to design different things. So I am going to change the color of my text. I'm purposely changing it to a color that would be a little more difficult to read against the image. One of the things that you can do is adjust your layer style. Layer style can be found in two different places. I'm going to begin by going to my layer panel and click on this text layer. The first place you can find a layer style is on the layer menu. Think about what you are changing, and that's usually a hint to where to find it in the menus. So on layer, you have your layer styles. You'll see all of these different choices, including stroke, which is the first one I'm going to show you. But you can also find those over here in your layers panel. So I'm going to click over here. You'll see in your layers panel, it's called FX. Same thing, layer styles. So let's say you have this blue text. You love the blue text, but it's hard to read. One of the things you can do is add a stroke. A stroke is an outline that is being added to your letters. So you can see it automatically went to black as the default. I'm going to change it to white just so you guys can see. I'll change it to red just so you can see some change here. Let's make it yellow. Beautiful. It's kind of a weird yellow. So I'm going to make that yellow, and you can change it again if you want. And you can position the line to be on the inside or to be on the outside, depending on your fonts. You can choose center as well. That would be exactly in the center of the inside and outside. But if you have a really small font, maybe you want to choose on the outside and it'll make it appear a little bit larger. You can also set the size. You can type in a number, let's say 5, or you can move your slider. You'll see the higher the number goes, the larger your structure will be. I'm just going to set it to 3. And when you're done, you can click OK. But let's say you want to add something a little extra to it. You can also add a drop shadow. So the drop shadow has different customizations as well. So let's click on that. You can adjust the angle of your drop shadow. So if you want it to go to the left or to the right, you can see how my angle is slightly changing. And you can also adjust the opacity. Maybe you want it to be a little transparent. So this is drop shadow. Just to show you, experiment with these settings. Play around with it. See if you like it. And the cool thing is, it's non-destructible. So you can go over to your layers panel. You can undo it. Let's say I don't want the stroke on there anymore. I just want the drop shadow, or vice versa. Maybe you don't want either. You can undo it, and as long as you don't delete it, you can always add it back in. You want to make sure when you're working with these that you save as a PSD file so you can go back and re-edit PSD or Photoshop file. I'm going to cancel this. And those are layer styles. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.